Korean cuisine is taking the UK by storm, and it's not just about the food. But why is this happening now? From K-pop to kimchi, Korean culture is making its mark, and it's time to explore how this culinary wave is shaping British tastes. Let's dive into the world of Korean flavors and discover how they're becoming a staple in kitchens across the UK. Imagine standing in a bustling London kitchen, surrounded by the aroma of fermented cabbage and the sound of laughter. This is where Korean-American TV chef Judy Ju introduces a group of food enthusiasts to the art of making kimchi. But here's where it gets interesting. Kimchi, a staple in Korean households, is now finding its place in British fridges. Judy, known for bringing Korean cuisine to British audiences, emphasizes its significance, calling it the cornerstone of Korean cuisine. Traditionally, Koreans enjoy kimchi every day, and its recipes are cherished like family heirlooms. The rise of Korean food in the UK isn't just about the dishes, it's part of a broader cultural movement. The South Korean government's Global Hansik campaign, launched in 2009, aims to promote Korean cuisine globally. While initially criticized for unclear results, studies later showed a significant increase in awareness of Korean food in major cities during the early 2010s. And this is the part most people miss. The campaign laid the groundwork for the current surge in popularity. Korean food's journey into the British mainstream is also evident in supermarkets. Waitrose reports a 60% increase in searches for Korean barbecue and a 70% rise in sales of gochujang paste. Kimchi, once a niche product, is now one of the fastest-growing international items on their shelves. Nutritionist Emmer Lowry highlights the appeal of fermented foods like kimchi, noting their flavor enhancement and health benefits, including improved digestion and a healthier gut microbiome. But what's driving this curiosity? Social media plays a significant role. TikTok data from Bibigo reveals a sharp increase in UK users mentioning Korean food, from 10,000 posts in 2023 to over 17,000 in 2025. This digital interest translates to real-world exploration, as seen in the growing number of Korean restaurants and supper clubs. One such example is Kalong, a North London restaurant where Chef Ju Won experiments with Korean flavors using British ingredients. Ju's journey began when he realized he couldn't cook traditional Korean dishes, despite being Korean. This sparked a rediscovery of home-cooked Korean meals, moving beyond restaurant staples. He emphasizes the importance of jjang, fermented pastes and sauces like doenjang and gochujang, which are the foundation of Korean cuisine. Here's a controversial point. While Korean food gains popularity, there's a debate about authenticity. Ju argues that not every dish needs gochujang, and chefs should feel free to reinterpret British ingredients with Korean techniques. This approach raises questions about cultural adaptation versus traditional authenticity. What do you think? Should Korean food in the UK stay true to its roots, or is innovation part of its evolution? The cultural impact of Korean food goes beyond the kitchen. Yoon Sun Chong, who runs a Korean supper club, highlights the concepts of jjang, warmth and care, and inyeon, meaningful connections, in Korean dining culture. Her events focus on the quieter, domestic side of Korean life, offering guests a deeper understanding of the culture behind the cuisine. The story of British YouTubers Armand and Max illustrates this cultural connection. After trying Korean street food in a viral video, they were inspired to explore more, eventually visiting Korea. Their experience showcases how food can be a gateway to a broader cultural appreciation. Back in Judy's kitchen, as the kimchi ferments, the process connects us to kitchens across the globe. Korean food in the UK may still be in its early stages, but its influence is undeniable. From supermarket aisles to supper clubs, it's becoming a part of everyday life, one jar of kimchi at a time. What's your take on this culinary trend? Do you think Korean food will continue to grow in popularity, or is it just a passing fad? Share your thoughts below and let's keep the conversation going.